Hi everybody, this is Gabrielle Longo, and I'm super sorry that it hasn't really been a long time, but I want to show you something that I've been wanting to do a long time, and I'm going to make a comparison. Actually, no, I am going to just basically just talk about it, and we're just going to go. As we have here, I have the Nintendo DSi. It is very old, 2 years old, had 2 years. So, and super old, orange, Happy Christmas. It's almost going to be the 3rd year I had it. And it now has the game Animal Crossing on it. And open it up, super clean. So, anyway, I've been really wanting to have also 3DS, and I wanted to point out that's what I want super bad, but I just wanted to tell you that I have a Nintendo DSi for 2 years, almost 3 years, and I just wanted to share it to you. And if you can see, so it has, Flipnote Studios. Has Flipnote Studios, and what you do is you go and make your own design, and what you do is you basically create a Flipnote or view a Flipnote, you edit, and you get to like draw, and then you add your voice to the video, and you know, it's like making your own video. And what else is you also can go and make your own stuff. And as you see here, next is I have settings, WildWare, so I just want to show you that, and like that, you know, I wanted to share it to you, and I wanted to also share to you that I wanted to get a 3DS, and the comparison, I think the sizes are the same, but what's actually different is it's of the DSi is it's 3D, and is a slider, and it has 2 cameras instead of 1. there's, you know, there's a circle pad supposed to be in a 3DS, but this is the DS. So, just wanted you to share some stuff. So, basically pretty cool. Haven't used it in a long time. Like, if you could see in my photos, I really take a lot of photos. If you could see, and now I am at my camera. So it's basically super cool, like super awesome. And I wanted to share it to you guys. Since, you know, maybe I should point it out to you guys and stuff. So, yeah. And with the new 3DS, you can make videos. But in this one, you can make, like, you can only make photos here, but in the regular 3DS, you can make videos. So I just wanted to share that to you guys. And see you soon. Bye!